Okay, today let's talk about radicals. First, you may want to ask, what are radicals? Radicals are basic building blocks you can use to build or create more characters. Here, I give you some basic radical as examples. The first one, the 3 dots on the left side representing water. So that character yang means ocean. So, made of water, right? The second one you will see at the right side. That character is 对, meaning correct. The third one you will see on top as a radical, and that character is 草, grass. And you see other characters may contain the top radical. It's probably something about plant. So that radical means grass, plant, something. And then the bottom radical, as you can tell, the 4 dots is used in the character 热, meaning hot. And this radical originally means fire. So fire is hot. And if you see other characters with the same radical, it's probably something about hot, warm. Okay? The last one, you can see a radical that is used as a frame. And that radical itself is a character. It means door, 门. And when you fill in another character, another radical inside, there we got 问, meaning ask. And now let's do some practice to team up the radicals. First, these 4 characters, 妈, 姐, 妹, and 奶, mean mom, older sister, younger sister, and grandma. And as you can see, they all share the same radical on the left. And that means female. Mom, sisters, and grandma, they're all female. And next, 河, river, 湖, lake, 海, sea, and yang, ocean. And they all share the water radical. All of them are made of water. And next, 吃, eat, 喝, drink, 唱, sing, and 吻, kiss. So all those verbs, you must use your mouth. So the left radical that they share means mouth. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Do you like our video? Did you learn anything fun?
Be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel to get the latest video updates, and be sure to leave your comments below. If you feel like you've learned something from this video, one of the best ways to practice is to go into the Mango course to form new sentences and new thoughts. Click the link on your screen to try it out.